Hi, today I'm going to give you a quick tip on a bit of AI you can implement in your organization to help improve customer service, but in less than 2 hours. Hi, I'm Frans. I'm the CTO of NewOrbit. We design and build bespoke software that enable organizations to scale. As you can probably imagine, AI is a big part of that. Now, let's get into it. So this thing is something we implemented ourselves years ago. Now, NewOrbit has a really lovely support team that look after all of the systems we implement for our customers. If a customer should ever contact the support and be upset or angry, we would really like our account managers to know as soon as possible so they can start dealing with that and contacting the client. So to make that really fast, we implemented an Azure Logic app that can read all of the emails coming into support. It then sends it to the sentiment analyzer in Azure, and it gets back an answer basically saying whether it's positive or negative or neutral. And then the Logic app will say if it's negative, it will forward the email onto the account manager. Now, as I say, this only took about 2 hours to set up. It's of course really quite simplistic, but it's really very effective at achieving our goal here. There's a lot more you can do with it. You can connect up a large language model, you can implement routing and so on. It's all really quite easy using these tools that are pretty much out of the box. Let me know if you've already done something like this. Just leave a comment below. Also, if you would like to discuss some ideas you have, or maybe just chat about how AI could help you in your organizations, please do get in touch. Thank you for watching.